Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, slide this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first here into advanced settings, be sure that in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume, not the media, and after that by press up or down volume button you can also change your device ringtone. And we can also do it by the third way, just to slide to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.